Hey everyone, I have finished with the updates for IDT 3600 for the spring, and I have requested for you to have access to it, and so keep an eye out any courseware, and hopefully Monday or Tuesday at the latest you'll see this IDT 3600 web development shall show up in your selection of courses, and that way you'll know you have access to it. This is the development shell that we share, so please do not make any edits. You don't need to go into it at all. You should just be able to see that you have access to it. And then if you've taught for us before, you'll see several courses listed like mine, so make sure you look down in the semester column and find Spring 2013. Make sure you're on Spring 2013 section and then click on that course. And you should see that your course is completely empty. And so it should look like this. And so what you want to do is go up to the top left and click on Edit Course. And then Import, Export, and Copy Components. And now you want to actually copy the components from another organizational unit that already exists. And so you just leave it on that first selection and click Next. And then it asks, what do you want to copy over? You want an existing offering, and you want to search for the offering. And then all of the courses that you have access to will come up. So you can, depending on how many you have access to, you can scroll through them, or you can type in development, because that's the name of the course. And make sure that you click on the one that says IDT 3600 Web Development. For this example, I'm going to click on just regular development because that's the one I use, but it works the exact same way. But make sure that you click on Web as your choice. And then Add Selected. And then it'll take a minute, but you want to copy everything. Select all components. And hit Next. And this is kind of just a confirmation page. Do you want everything? Yes. So click Next again. And then this part takes a few minutes. And so wait until there's a green checkbox by every item. Check mark. And the course files are going to take the longest. That's the biggest part. And so we're waiting. As soon as it's complete, you'll be able to click on Done. So, sorry, bear with me just a minute. This is kind of good that it takes, that I'm showing you that it takes a minute, so you know that it will take a minute for you as well, and it's not a computer problem. So it just has to copy over everything in every module. Okay, so now we see that everything has been copied over. We click Done. And it basically asks you if you want to start over. Do you want to import, anything else from anywhere else? And you don't want to do that. And so then just click back on Content. And you should now see that you have everything loaded. And that's it. You're done.